I'm Anna Maria Knapp, owner of Celebrations Wine Club. We're located here at beautiful Barossa Vineyards and Winery in the Napa Valley. Our topic is how to make bottleneck wine. The Bottleneck Wine Trail is located in British Columbia in the Okanagan Valley. It's actually on the west side of the Okanagan Lake. It's a gorgeous region. It's an emerging wine region, and it's though a cool weather area in terms of growing grapes. And so the specialty of the area is white wine made from white grapes. The difference actually between red wine and white wine is not so much the color of the grapes, but it's that grapes, red wine, is fermented with the skins. And so the fermentation process extracts all the color and flavor from the skins. White wine is fermented without the skins. So white wine has those gorgeous golden colors that we're used to. So Vic Barossa, owner of Barossa Vineyards, is going to show us how to make white wine.
Basically what you do, there's a couple of different ways to do this. You can rent a piece of equipment like this, which is a basket press. This is a hydraulic basket press. And you can crush the grapes, the white grapes, like Chardonnay and Chenin Blanc and Semillon, in whole cluster. That means you don't have to strain off the skins. If you have a crusher destemmer, you can take the grapes off the stems, take that must that you have with the seeds and the skins in it, and you can put it into the basket press and press it off. That way you end up with the clear juice. The other way to do this is you inoculate with fermentation after you've pressed it off. The other thing you can do is to ferment in a barrel. And basically, this is a Chardonnay that we have fermented in barrel. And you can press off your juice, put it in the barrel, inoculate each barrel with the yeast. And then you have to stir the barrel once every few weeks to get the lees, which is the dead yeast, up off the bottom. You then measure the sugar using the hydrometer and getting the sugar to 0 on the sugar. So that's how to make a really good white wine.
White wine has an important place at the table and away from the table. I'm Anna Maria Knapp, owner of Celebrations Wine Club.